Hi guys, it's me Marie. Today I am going to make oven mitts. I already made one, and yes, they are small, but they're good for my hand. I'm always struggling with this big oven mitts, and this is nice. It's not chunky. So I did got this pattern of the internet, secretworkshop.com. You can just print it out and you have to attach into parts. So that is this size. So if you want it bigger, you always can just trace it bigger, so that's no problem. You even can get one of the old ones that you have and trace it. So I'm using Insel Bright, and this is how it looks like. It has also a pattern here. So I have 2 layers of fabric, and you have to get right sides together or wrong sides together. And I also have my lining. This is what I'm using. And what I did, because this pattern has this point here, I did them a mirror image of each other, because you know, if you wanted like the points to be here, then the other one have to be here too. You know what I mean? But if you have just a regular one, like no points, it doesn't matter then. Alright, so I have 2 double the inside, and I cut it. I used the cutter, but if you think that is scary, just trace it and cut it with scissors. And mind your fingers, please. And then I'll just go back here, and this is a little bit tricky. And as you can see, you can also do it bigger if you want. Let me try it. And there is this side. I also have, this is 3 inches strip, and just in half for the binding here. And if you want something to hang them, you can also do it, but I don't hang mine, so. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing now is I'm gonna spray glue all the parts. Then I just did straight stitching, well, straight lines. They are diagonal, but, and I think that's cute. You can do whatever design that you want. It's nice to play and to try any free motion if you want to practice. So that's one. Okay, then I'm going to do the quilting. And what I do next then is after I quilt it, I just put them right sides together, and I'm going to stitch the back here, and then I'll open it up and I put the binding. So it's easier to get the binding on. Alright? So let's go to the machine. I have my open toe foot on, and I'm going to just go diagonal and do the lines. Okay, so now I'm hoping the angle of the camera is good. Just keep trying to get it better. Okay, so now I get the two sides together and I go the back side. Let me get my 1/4 inch. Okay, then I'll get it in here. Okay, now the binding. And now let's get it to the other side. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to the back you have enough. So I'm going to sew from the front and catch the back. You can top stitch or in the ditch, whatever you want. I'm just almost in the ditch. There. And that's sides together again and stitch close. I'm going to cut this. Okay, so to finish, what I do, I get it open, so again I get my zigzag, and zigzag. So now it's all stitched, and now it's time to turn it. I'm going to turn it using this handy tool that I call Jack because it's a ripper. But it has also a turner, so I'm going to turn it. Come on, don't be shy. And there is the other. So then you have a pair of gloves. Hope you liked it, and I'll see you next time. Love you guys. Bye bye.